Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Vlogging Friday. I know this video is going up really late and I do apologise, but you know what, life happens. So I hope everybody is keeping really well. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things. So on today's vlog, I was up in London at a L'Oreal brand event, of which I got lost. Lads, I got really lost. I know I do these silly things. So I went to the old L'Oreal building, even though I had the new address. So I ended up at Queen's Park Rangers football grounds. No idea how I actually got there. I got off at the wrong tube station and had to walk like what felt like for hours. I think I was about an hour and a half late or something for the event. But anyhow, it was an absolute disaster. It's like me and one of my shortcuts winds up going the long way. Anyhow, so after the event I went to Westfield and came across The Ordinary Shop, which was amazing. I love that brand. Then I found somewhere that did gluten-free food, and then I had some lunch. So I think it was tortillas, something like that. So I just had like the burrito with no bread stuff, which was gorgeous. Then I went to Beyond Retro. It's one of my favourite vintage shops. I love how you can literally style for any decade in here. Now, bear in mind this video was done back in October, so there is going to be like snippets of Halloween and stuff, but literally in this shop you can find everything and anything. They even had a dress that was like your one from Wednesdays. It was just so cool. Found this kimono type garment which I bought, and I'm gonna wear it as a coat eventually. I'm going to do a bit of stitching on it and, you know, just jazz it up a wee bit and cut some things off it. Then I visited Kiko Milano. I haven't been in one of these stores in years, and I was so excited to be here, and I really wanted to buy some things and have a good look around, but it got so crowded so quickly I just left. I was really disappointed. Like the products were amazing, everything looked so nice and, you know, was very appealing obviously to me, but I just found the customer service wasn't there, and I wound up leaving empty-handed, which isn't like me when I step into a store like that. I know you can see there, like there wasn't that many people, but then all of a sudden there was just like an influx of people. So as I was filming, it was fine, and I thought, oh, I can just, you know, film a little bit and have a look at some products. And yeah, I really wanted to look at things and then get some bits. It didn't happen. There's Victoria's Secrets, by the way. I didn't go in there because I never can afford anything. But then I wanted to go to Sephora as well, because that's now opened up in Westfield. But honestly, the queue, I was like, no thanks, I'm okay. Obviously then we had to have a go at Hamleys because it's right beside it there, and I was just like, oh, look at how cute all these are. And I didn't go in because I know what I'm like in these stores. I think of my kids and I'd be like buying things that they don't actually need, and with Christmas being around the corner I was like, no, not today. So I didn't buy anything from there, but I did love all the Trolls things, and I know my daughter would love all these kind of things. So yeah, maybe for Christmas if she's a good girl. Then as always we visited Pennies, or Primark as it is over here in the UK, and I do love a good Pennies, I'm not going to lie, or a Primark. I didn't get anything for myself. Loads of bits for the kids, I'm not going to lie. Oh no, I lie, actually I did. I got a pair of earrings, the Rita Ora ones. But I loved this whole collection. I loved the Christmas jumpers and cardigans. They had such a variety. Honestly, they had like everything. It was just amazing. It's a brilliant store, that one in Westfield. Also, lads, the Christmas decor and the bits and bobs and the party wear, like that Primark is just, and it wasn't even that packed. Like it was nice busy, but not too busy that you're like, I've been at the one at Tottenham Court Road and the other one the other side of the Oxford Circus, and they're always mental and manic, and it just, I hated Primark. Oh, I keep going to say Pennies. I hated Primark when I first came over here because I was like, the people in there act like animals. I just can't handle it. But this one was actually okay. It was more, more mannerly, shall I say. Then of course I visited the Lego store. I love Lego, my kids love Lego, we're big Lego people in my house. We spend hours making stuff, even just making stuff up off the app. It's brilliant. Of course I loved all the Harry Potter things. I think they're absolutely fantastic. If I had the money and the space, I would definitely have Hogwarts. That is one of my big ones. And this one from Home Alone, I would love that house. Like, that is just epic. To be honest, it was all really good. This is my lunch or my dinner for the way home. Again, gluten free, everything, fun times. And that is it, lads. We just round up London on this little trip. Thanks for watching. It's a very quick vlog, nothing too fancy, but sure, look, I'll see you on the next time when I might have a little bit more of a surprise for you. Bye.